everybody, it's Ray here at Savini Comics. Today we're going to be opening a Marvel Superheroes box. Alright, let's see what we get. Called damage control. Got a Brave Brawler, Asgardian Citadel, Yellow Jacket, Heartless Marauder. You got a Patriot Shield, Big Wheel, Think Twice, Marvel Boy, Norvar. Ooh, we got an Avengers Tower in the foil. We got an island. Ooh, we got Doomsday. Blasphemous Act. Very nice. Ooh, Black Widow Super Spy. T'Challa's Protection. Very nice. And Avengers Disassembled. Soldier token. Savage Land Dinosaur. A Red Room Recruit. We got D-Power, Loki, Dark Deed, Chase Stein, Runaway, Spectacular Tactics, The Spots Portal, ooh, Human Torch, Johnny Storm. We got a Plains. Ooh, we got an Ares God of War. Fantastic Elasticity. Choose one. Return target non-land permanent to its owner's hand. Return target instant or sorcery card from your graveyard to your hand. And it's got Rebound. We got a Hulk, Always Angry. One of the scene cards. Ooh, we got the Path to Exile. That is pretty. Ooh, we got the Doctor Doom. Dinosaur. Ninja of the Hand. I got your card.
Which one's that? Oh, shit.
Dr. Doom. Got the Path to Exile, Captain America.
Nice. Black Widow.
Black Widow, T'Challa's Protection.
Oh, my God. You got the Teferi's Protection. I didn't get one.
Dependable Quinjet.
What's it worth to you?
Hawkeye's Bow. The Thing, Ben Grimm. We got Red Hulk.
And that's right now while the sun's fresh.
Ultimate Alliance,
Yeah.
Sith Spearmaster, the Flying Octobot. Oh, that's cool looking. Abomination, Terrifying Titan, a Gamma villain. We got a nice swamp. Citizen V, Helmet Zuma. Ooh, that is cool. Got, got the full art foreboding.
Nice.
Clean. Love it.
Loki got a mischief. Ooh, Heaven Sent Marvel.
Oh, that's cool.
And then Captain America's shield and the
Nice.
Clean.
Ping, ping.
I wonder what that could be.
we got the villain lineup token. Treasure on the back. So was I on 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Pulls this fucking not really so one soon. Oh, I'll leave.
You know what's funny?
I'll leave.
We got the art card. He says pulls a soul stone. There's an art card soul stone on the back. What the? What we got? We got
I'll leave.
Shit.
got Ant-Man's army. Hour of Defeat. Crimson Operative. Iron Man, Master of Machines. A Root Domination.
I don't know where you said
Crossover Collaboration.
Yeah, it was sitting over there.
Common Crook.
I don't think you got anything super crazy.
Goliath, Mass Manipulator. Ooh, we got the full art
I see a lot of people
thing,
doing
Ben
something
Grime.
like this, or-
Grim.
and then,
Scene card. Oh, we're in the sewers with the swamp. We got the hidden lair. We got Hatut Zaraz Strike Force. When you cast a spell, copy it for each time you've cast your commander from the command zone this game. When this creature enters, destroy up to one target artifact or enchantment. Ooh, Super Soldier Serum. Doom variant. Nice.
Oh, is that the?
The Roaming Throne.
Oh, you got the Roman throne.
Dude, are you serious?
Nice.
Stay. And Armor Wars. So no Soulstone card, but we did get a nice little art card.
Yeah, I didn't think about that either. I was hoping when you guys would get
What's that?
Molecular man. He'll probably get it now.
it. You'll probably get it.
It'll draw it.
There's a squirrel token. We got Widow's Bite, Panther Pounce, Agent of Atlas, Black Panther Vanguard, Rewrite History, Black Tom Cassidy. Tap, add green mana. If you control another mutant, you gain 1 life. Little mana dork. Commune with Dinosaurs. Look at the top 5 cards of your library. You may reveal a dinosaur or land card from among them. Put them into your hand. Put the rest on the bottom of your library in any order. Whirlwind Killer Cyclone. Oh, we've got the Invisible Woman, Sue Storm. We got 3 out of the 4 Fantastic Four so far. We got a nice little forest running through the woods. Ah, Tony Stark, Iron Man.
The Flip Tony.
Dude,
The Flip Tony, Iron Man. Look at that. And the foil. Look at that. That is pretty. And we got a Claw, Master of Sound. We've got Mole Man.
Sorry, wrong universe.
Ooh, we got the Ravenous Tyrannosaurus. Ah, what's that? We got the unbeatable Squirrel Girl.
Oh, she's gross. Oh, you got that version
Yeah.
too. Nice. That's.
And we got the Void. Flying indestructible. The Void attacks each combat if.
Oh my God! There's a patch on the screen. Sorry, I got distracted by a Wolverine variant.
I know. I thought it was fitting putting that on.
Yeah, searching for Wolverine, but I didn't find it.
We got a restorative technique. Bold biochemist. Machinesmith automation. Agent 13 Sharon Carter. Whiplash vengeful engineer. Quinjet technician. Big mana dork. You can tap, add 1 red mana, or you can tap, add 2 red mana, spend this mana only to activate power-up abilities. Not bad for a 2-drop. Doc Ock, Sinister Scientist. Valentina Allegra de Fontaine. Other villains you control are heroes in addition to their other types.
Nice.
Ooh, we got the nice foil Hulk Smash in the full art. We got a Plains. All right, let's see what's that. We got a Vision Quest. Ooh, there we go. We got all 4 of them. Got the Fantastic Four. Ooh, we got
And you bought a thing of sleep just for that.
Thanos, Death's Consort. We got 3 steps ahead. That's cool. Oh. And Storm, Wind Rider. I got... Hey, Brad.
I know the flip ones call it Black
Nice, nice, nice. Oh.
right now.
Nice.
And then I got Storm.
Oh shit. Oh yeah.
Let's see, we've got Take Up the Shield.
He's getting a bunch of the ones I didn't see.
Atlantis Attacks.
No. Dude.
Hero in Training.
One duplicate out of all of them.
Reptile Dinomorpher. Madame Hydra. Accelerated Evolution. Heroic Teamwork. We got Spider UK. Another Hulk Smash in the foil. They may need a Hulk Smash. We got of Plains. Ooh. We got the 10 Rings. You seen this one? From Shang-Chi. Your maximum hand size is 10 at the beginning of your end step. If you have fewer than 10 cards in your hand, draw cards equal to the difference. Abomination World Ravager. Menace and Trample. Mayhem 4. 10-10. Oh, we got Vision. Oh. So, Brad, very next pack is a foil 3 steps ahead. And then we got a Construct, a Cosmic Cube. Very nice. We got some insect tokens.
You got a pretty good spread. Yeah, there's somebody's gonna want
Ray gets Wolverine.
I know, I haven't got anything with Wolverine
Got
yet.
Vision. Non cool. That guy did. Shit.
Let's see, we got a Burning Zana Plaza. Volcanic Villain.
Like, getting surrounded by Wolverine right now in that game.
Repulsor Blast. We got Falcon Wing Wonder.
I made mom watch this movie one time.
Speed Young Avenger.
We're watching the same movie.
Ooh, we got Mjolnir's Might. Not Mjolnir.
They got to the part where they get to the fist fight.
Stegron the Dinosaur Man.
You couldn't even keep the goddamn buttons.
We got the Storm Shaker of Skies. We got another Invisible Woman, Sue Storm. Nice little forest. Nice, we got Electra, Daughter of the Hand. We got a Coastal Peak.
Speaking at the coast.
We got a Hidden Lair. Ooh, look at that. We got the Chaos Warp with Wanda. Multiverse Incursion.
Unfortunately, any part of Wanda on it because
Trouble Doctor Strange, you know what I mean? That's not just for Halloween.
Oh, we got the Pet Avengers. Look at that. We got all the little pets. It's a
Snow cat. Oh yeah, that is a cat.
It's a
It's not the same.
it's a dragon, cat, dog, bird, frog hero. 4/4 with reach. It's got power up. I can pay 6 in a green, put a 1/1 counter on this creature, and create a 3/2 white hero creature token with vigilance. 3 in a green.
Too shabby.
Kingpin's Enforcers.
That power up mechanic's gonna get nutty.
Hydra Infiltration.
Especially running
Black Widow, Double Agent. A White Tiger, Ava Aelia. We got a Thwip.
No snake. That'll be in the.
Target creature gets +2/+2 and gains flying until end of turn. If it's a spider, you gain 2 life. You seen that one?
Oh yeah. What is it like?
You got Farseek. Search your library for a plains, island, swamp, or mountain card. Put it on the battlefield, tap, and shuffle.
Yeah, you can't fail.
Big Bertha.
Oh yeah, she's a mean lady.
Big Bertha enters with X 1/1 counters on her.
Is there a Wolver pool? Is there a...
I don't know, but Wolverine is something I need.
Nice. I got the Bullseye, Death Dealer.
All of them.
You got plains. We got a Secret Invasion. A Royal Talon Fighter Jet. Look at that.
Yeah, no.
The Incredible Hulk.
Yeah.
Nice. And then we got nice Deadly
Real
Dispute.
ones will know.
Yeah.
Brad.
One guy to come up here every time I mention.
Bruce Banner.
Oh, sure.
Yo.
Nice.
And then Deadly Dispute.
Nice.
And we got Loki, God of Mischief, in the foil scene card. And the hero token.
Fucking Bruce Wayne. Bruce Wayne, he's a big one. You got a couple flippies.
Iron Man and Bruce.
These guys are friends, you know.
Oh, that's trippy. Look at that. Look at that art card.
Oh, God, yeah.
What's cool is you
Took me
can
a second to even see what I was looking at.
you can build that Bruce Banner and have Iron Man in the same deck.
Yeah.
We got Fisk Tower.
That'd be pretty good combo.
Giant Growth.
Ramp with the fucking Iron Man's artifacts and then
Wakandan
smash.
Drone Flock. Arnim Zola, Biofanatic. Captain America, Living Legend. Flying Drone. Wolf's Bane, Highland Hero. Spider Mobile. No Wolverine. Ooh, we got a Red Hulk.
Harrison Ford.
Pick Up the Pace. Fortified Village. Ooh, Loki, God of Lies. Oh, and we got Final Act.
Oh, that's cool.
And then we got Elektra in the comic book.
Oh shit! There's
shit,
your comic
dude.
book one. Hell yeah!
Look at that.
Let's go.
And the foil comic book cover.
Seems like
Elektra, Daughter
so
of the
far,
Hand.
Each box has had one comic book in it. Card art.
Yeah, I
Whole
haven't
comic book.
seen any more.
Right. No comment.
Disclaimer.
Results may vary. Everybody gets one. Tell 'em, Peter.
Serpent Specialist. Blazing Crescendo.
I just got a feeling
Gorilla.
they're gonna use Wolverine #1.
Atuma, Atlantean Warlord.
Oh, you're talking about like the ultimate.
She-Hulk, Jade
They'll either
Defender.
give us Patch or they'll give us Wolverine
Bushmaster, Coiled Henchman.
I feel like it would do the fans.
Yeah, Shipwreck Patrol. Bob, Reluctant Hydra Agent.
I can think of a million times.
Ooh, we got another Human Torch, Johnny Storm in the foil.
But
I'm thinking in terms of the
Yeah,
match.
Mountains.
I would not dispute a #1.
We got another Super Soldier Serum.
I've been trying to
Cliff
find
Top
that
Retreat.
range.
The Serpent Society. Nice. We got Bedlam.
Yeah.
I don't have.
Baron Humlet Zuma.
That has comic books on it.
Check Bedlam.
Bedlam.
And then I got that
Bedlam and Bedlam.
Baron.
This is what Levi was talking about. He's
Yeah.
like, this is the only card I've seen with the Moon Knight on it. And he's way in the back left corner.
Yeah, there you go. You got him in
Cool
there.
little art card.
You need a micro.
All right. Last Pack Magic.
Before the Moon Knight, I heard that.
It was the,
Trying to fucking price those cards. I'm like, God damn it, I want to be over there.
Ooh. That's pretty neat. Got the Elektra signed art card
nice.
with a stamp.
Toot.
All right. We got a Kree Sentinel, a Web Up, Avengers Hanger, Baron Strucker, Hydra Overlord, Human Torch Johnny Storm, Wakandan Shield Guard, Venomized Cat. It's a reprint from the other Spider-Man.
Yeah. There's a lot of Spider-Man reprints. I can't wait to read it.
The Wizard, Classic Speedster.
Oh, yeah. Fucking Wizard.
Taking a
Got
whiz.
But no
Ooh.
actual Moon Knight.
We got the scene card, Madam Hydra. Got Tony Stark overlooking the balcony on the sunset on the mountain. We got Iron Man, Bleeding Edge. Everett K. Ross, Hapless Attaché.
You're the first person I heard say that properly.
Alien Invasion. Oh, Fury of the Horde. That's cool. A lot of Elektra in this one I got, and then we got a Vision Quest.
That's such a sick art of that, too.
Which Vision Quest art? Oh, the comic.
The comic
Nice.
one. Vision Quest. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching.